don't ever think that narcissists don't know that they are narcissists. They are evil people, and one day feed the ego yẹn. They control. One man can control, one man can dominate ni, and there is nothing on their brain because they are mentally deranged people already. And what we were told, according to research, ni pé narcissists are not born, they are raised. Kì í ṣe pé a bí wọn bẹ́ẹ̀, wọ́n wà raised bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Maybe at some point in their life, their mental health was damaged, and they continue to manage it like that because àwọn gan wọn ń fẹ́ yí padà. And don't ever think pé narcissist ò mọ̀. Wọ́n mọ̀ táwọn ń ṣe, wọ́n mọ̀ pé ìkà oníṣẹ́ ibi làwọn. Now, tó bá jẹ́ victim of narcissist, make sure that put yourself together, seek help, seek counseling. Go back to all those things you were doing before that make you a strong woman. Bóyá o wà ambitious ni, maybe you are a career woman, maybe you are an academic, maybe you are a business woman. Go back to your business. Gbogbo tí narcissist yẹn ti break down yẹn, go back to go and be doing it. That is the only thing tó lè ṣe láti bring that narcissistic man down. Gbogbo tó ní kó má ṣe nígbà tó wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ yẹn, lọ má ṣàwọn nǹkan yẹn padà. Nto le break ẹnìyẹn, then avoid him like a plague. Detach yourself emotionally from him. Withdraw mind there. Gbogbo tó bá ń sọ, withdraw, stay away. Oh, le survive a narcissistic man o. Is it that kí wọ́n gan ní mental problem tàbí kò kú síbẹ̀? So that's why all these narcissists, we need to start creating awareness about them. Know them at the first stage. Tó bá jẹ́ pé bó ṣe ń love bomb yẹn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe lẹ́mìí ìfẹ́ ní tòótọ́. Kò yẹ kó máa wáyàwó, kò tí ẹ yẹ kẹrin pàdé rárá. Kò yẹ kó máa níyàn lé. Now, oríṣiríṣi àwọn tó love bomb tó ti fall victim of narcissist. Ṣé bó ṣe ń ṣe sí ẹ nígbà love bomb stage tó fẹ́ yẹn, ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣì ń ṣe ń sìn? For you to know that narcissists, they cannot maintain memory. Gbogbo ohun tó ṣe sí ẹ láti capture ẹ yẹn, ó mọ̀ ṣe so that ìgbà tó bá máa abandon ẹ kó lè máa ronú nípa rẹ̀. So now, you will now do the opposite. Don't think about him at all. I know it might not be that easy, but when you seek therapy, when you seek help, you will see that it's very possible for you to stop thinking about a narcissistic man. Go back to all those things you were doing that make you a strong woman in the first place. Tó bá jẹ́ṣẹ́ ló ń ṣe, padà sí di iṣẹ́, tó bá jẹ́ṣẹ́ ló kọ́, padà sí ibi iṣẹ́ tó kọ́, tó bá jẹ́ school ní, padà sí school ẹ, tó bá jẹ́ nǹkan kan ló ń ṣe tó make you strong, because ìyẹn gangan ni supply, ìyẹn gangan the fact pé ó ti sọ ẹ́ dẹ̀dùn arin ilẹ̀ yẹn ń ló ń fún ní agbára sí. The time tó ti abandon ẹ yẹn, ó tún ti lọ bá another person. Ó ti wà ní another person tó ti wà ní love bombing stage pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Just like this ọmọ mi tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ fún yín sìn, pé student mi tí mo kọ́. Tọ́rọ́ kan wò pé ẹni táwọn ṣì wà ní talking stage tó ló fẹ́ mọ̀ sọ̀bọ̀, fẹ́ mọ̀ send owó sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ gbáhùn, all because pé lè nífẹ̀ẹ́ òun lòun wò pé no, this is abnormal. Ló wá ṣàlàyé fún mi just yesterday. Mo wá sọ wá bí mi pé ẹjọ́ mà, ṣé àwọn narcissist yẹn ṣé wọ́n máa ń mọ̀ ṣá? Wọ́n mọ̀ pé àwọn níwà burúkú, wọ́n mọ̀ pé ìkà làwọn, wọ́n mọ̀ pé evil làwọn, but many of them tó bá jẹ́ illiterate, ó lè má mọ̀ pé orúkọ tó ń pè ń tó ń jẹ́ yẹn lélẹ́yìí. Yes, I put it straight to that man yesterday. I said, you are a narcissist. Go and seek help. You have mental problem. You are a mental deranged person. No woman can ever survive in your house. Yes, and when you put it to them like that, àyà wọn ajá bí ìgbà tó bá pe wèrè ní. Tó pè directly tó tójú ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ mẹ́sàn rẹ̀ ká. Immediately ló block girl yẹn off. Torí yẹn náà wọ́n wò pé òun gan ti ń feel choked, àwọn wà ní talking stage, ó ti ń bò ń léèrè àbẹ̀wé lá, ṣẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ló wá pọ̀ tó yẹn. Please identify all these narcissistic people and stay completely away from them. This is going to be part 1. Mi fẹ́ kí fídíò yìí gùn jù, but I'm still going to do part 2 and part 3 of how victims of narcissists, how they can help themselves, and what you need to do is not too much. Just go back to those things you were doing that make you a strong woman in the first place. If the ambition to need the fact that you are an ambitious woman, you're a successful person, you're very talented, you are successful. Àwọn nǹkan yẹn òun ló jẹ́ ìbànújẹ́ fún narcissist. Wàá wá padà síbi àwọn nǹkan yẹn, wàá máa ṣe. Your life that has been good will now come again. You start growing. That is when you will now break him down completely. for your own side. Ìyẹn ò ní ká lòmíì náà tó bá wà ignorant kó má tún lọ fall victim ẹ̀, but for you to be able to put yourself together and come back to your feet again. So narcissists are aware that they are narcissists. And for you to identify them, everything about them is abnormal. And their family members are aware. They know that their son or their uncle or their brother or their father is a narcissist. Wọ́n máa ń bò wọ́n ni. Àwọn ẹbí wọn máa ń bò wọ́n. So you to jẹ́ victim wọn, the only assignment tó ní láti ṣe ni láti identify wọn. And once you identify them, you detach yourself away. You withdraw yourself emotionally from them because they are toxic people and they can never do you any good. The only thing they can do for you is to destroy you. Whichever sensitive information that you might have shared with them about yourself, don't allow that to break you. Because anything tó bá share pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, ó máa lo against you. It is not a má jẹ́ kí yẹn weigh ẹ down. Níbi táyé lajú dé yìí kan gbé private video àbí picture anybody gan síta gan. All you need to do is just to explain. If you care to explain. If you don't care, you to expose him. Tó bá ti expose the narcissist, ó ti bògùn wọn jẹ́, ó ti deliver the next supply tán máa ní. Please share this video so that a whole lot of people tó ti jẹ́ victim àwọn èèyàn burúkú àwọn ọ̀kà ẹ̀dá tá à ń pè ní narcissist yìí, wọ́n á lè mọ̀ wípé survival àwọn, and they will be able to draw strength from this. Thank you guys.